everyone, welcome to the vlog. Okay, so today I'm gonna share to you something. Ta-da! We have a new thing here. It's a mini washing machine or a foldable washing machine that I purchased through. This is a second-hand item. I purchased this for just 1,000 pesos. So I tried this last night, and look at this. This is how it looks like from the outside. You know, it's written in Chinese. So, how did I get this? I contacted the seller, and then he asked me to pick it up in their area. So I got this. I just paid him 1,000 pesos plus. Then look at this. This is what it looks on the inside, and it's folded. But allow me to open this up so you can see it. What looks like inside. So it's the tube to use when you drain it, and to open this up, you can focus on this. It needs a lot of force to open this up though. Alright, this is how it looks like opened up. So this is the foldable washing machine. I know they are sold in online stores, Lazada, Shopee, AliExpress, and all of those. So this is from the brand Yoko, and I'm gonna read what's in here. 中山市. Oh, this is from Zhongshan in China. So 小鸭家店有限公司. So this is 小鸭家 小鸭 little duck. It's then they translated it in English as Yoko. Okay. This is from the brand Yoko from Zhongshan. Okay, so not bad. Namumukha na siyang sakyan. Something with the rubber. So this is how it looks like. We will be washing some clothes today. We'll test this out, and these are the clothes that I'll be washing, not wearing. I wore this already. So these were the clothes that I wore last Sunday. So let's just test it out and see how I'm gonna show you how this works, and I might share some laundry tips. Let's see. Okay, now it's plugged in. Okay, so I have the washing machine now plugged in the bathroom. So what I'm gonna do is fill this with water. Since we don't have any hose, I'll be using the shower head. I'm gonna show you that. So we're gonna pop the tub of the washing machine. Now let's prepare the detergents. Okay, so I'm thinking of using Ariel because it's a light colored item. But I'll be using the Downy French Lavender, which I personally like right now. So maybe I'll just put this up because I don't want my long sleeve shirt to have residue. So that's something good. Okay. Let's check the tub. Okay, so for washing machines like this, I recommend that you just fill them up to here, because once you put the clothes, you should make sure that it doesn't overflow up to here. So when it spins, water may flow up everywhere. So, okay, now I'm gonna put the clothes, or I'll put the detergent first. Okay, I'll be using Ariel Hygiene Pro, but I think I'll just use half this sachet because konti lang naman yung lalabhan natin. Though, we'll use some of this spot treatment on the cuello of this shirt kasi medyo nadumihan. Okay, so let's soak this up first, but let's spot treat this part, this one. So turn this up. Okay. So this spot treat. Spot lang. Ayun. Konti lang. Okay. Let's just rub it. Rub everything here. I'm gonna have the necktie and towels. Okay. Now we'll put more of the detergent. Ariel Hygiene Pro. Not sponsored, but yan. Put it here. Konti lang. So mabulat na daw. But kalawin natin. Let's set this up for 10 minutes. This one. Okay, so spinning. So let's leave this up for 10 minutes. Get back to this. Okay, while the tub is spinning, so I'm gonna show you the reason why I wanted to get that mini washing machine. So ever since I got here in Cebu, I'm always worried that I might not be able to use a washing machine because the space might be small, or I'm not allowed to do laundry inside the unit. But good thing, the unit that I'm staying right now in Cebu is kind of large, and the caretaker has a washing machine that I can borrow every week. The problem now is that we have lots of tenants already in here, aside from my roommate who is from Davao. There's another one in that room behind there. There are other also occupants in the unit that the caretaker is staying, so ang dami gumagamit ng washing machine. And recently, nag-breakdown yung washing machine na yun, so it's still under repair, so medyo natenga yung ating paglalaba. So what I thought is that I've used that washing machine for the last 3 months I've been here in Cebu. But now that medyo in demand na rin yung washing machine ng aming caretaker, so what I decided to is to buy a washing machine of my own. Kasi mahirap na kung konti lang or hindi nagagamit, titingga kasi under repair or ano, tapos yun na, ay para sariling sikap na lang. So yun, let's check. It's doing good. Doing good. washing machine. No? Is that like a washing machine? Manual, or we call it manual washing machine. Kasi if it's automatic, yung parang ano, yung tinatawag na pasok lang ng tubig, lagyan mo ng sabon, and that's it. Pero ito, this is manual. Ito maglalagay ng sabon. So yan. Ito timer mo pa. So, yun. So, what I'm actually going for with that washing machine is that hindi na ako mga ano, parang every week lang yung washing machine. I can now do it in schedules. I can now, para at least mabawasan yung parang tambak ng labada, especially when I travel. Kasi ay, nahihirapan talaga pag nagta-travel ako tapos gabundok yung labada ko. So yun, mahirap na, especially pag nadagdag yung labada ko from my travels, tapos nadagdagan pa yung mga labada from work, no? So ayun, so I had to take advantage of that washing machine. So yun. Now, my problem is now that this electric fan over here is broken. I need to shell out some money to repair the sariling sikap. The caretaker told me ako ang magbabayad niyan. Okay. But I'm thinking of buying another electric fan aside from this ceiling fan looking electric fan. So I might buy a stand fan or a stand fan or a desk fan later on para at least sariling sikap pa rin. Kasi mahirap na kung ikaw lang yung nagde-depend ka lang sa gamit ng itong room na ito. So yun. Let's wait for the laundry. Now the wash cycle is done. It's stopped. So I'll just soak this a bit, but then another thing. Looks good. Okay. Hindi naman na something pa. Apply natin. Okay. Take this off. Okay, so how to drain this? So there's a little spout over here. Just open this up to drain water. Cute. So this will take a while, and while I'm at, we'll prepping this clothes for rinsing. Since I'm just using liquid detergent, I might just rinse it twice and tapos agad. So put this up now for rinsing. Chicken just out the bubbles first. Although, I think maano naman to, mawala naman to pag fill in ito ng tubig. Now, I'm done with bringing the water. Let's close this off. Let's fill this up again with water. So now, rinse this. Maglawan natin ito. And then, kung wala na masyadong bula after the second rinse, diretso na tayo sa alcohol. Okay. Okay, just started the panlaw. As you can see, konti na lang actually mahuhupay yung mga bula. Kasi I'm using liquid detergent. I'll just make sure pangalawang banlaw para tayo. Alright. I think to speed things up, I filled this pail with water para banlawan na lang natin agad-agad. Pati ito. Let's drain this off, tapos diretso na tayo popcorn. Oh, it's kind of nice, no? So, bilis. So, I know the hardships of operating a larger washing machine. Lalo na sa bahay namin sa Davao na meron kaming automatic washing machine. Ganon. Sariling sikap. Ngayon, no? We're gonna put some Downy French lavender. Ooh. Not sponsored again, but what I like now, this is one I like right now. Compared to like the Downy Passion or the Mystic na part ng Downy Perfume Collection, or even yung Sweetheart. This one is ano talaga, perfect kung gusto mo talaga yung medyo, you know, relaxing things, you know, medyo stressed out ka. The scent is really nice, you know? Now the fabrics on the water. Let's put this shirt here and the towels. Let's soak this up first before we'll do a short spin. Gonna soak this up for maybe 3 minutes or so. Let's just leave this there. I think we have enough soaking, so let's spin a bit, maybe 2 minutes. Just to finish this off. Let's take this out. Done. May natin. Ang bango. Let's put this here. Para di sayang natin natin, I'll do my number 2. Sorry po. Okay. Kung natanggal pa to, this one I used nung travel namin sa Alegria. Amoy itong dagat. So, hopefully hindi na ito amoy dagat. Bango. Patay din ito. Purple. Kaya siguro purple kasi Call of the Year 2022 is very very leans towards purple. Ganda. So, para di sayang, hindi natin ito i-drain. Doon na. Now we're gonna hang this up. Last night I washed my beddings, so you can see pillowcase and the bed sheet. So I have 2 bed sheets for here in this room. So I also washed my towel, my yellow towel or beige towel. This is beige. Get to set this aside here. Lagyan natin dito. Tapos i-hang na natin to. Alright, so it's hung up to dry. So kasama na itong mga puti kong nalaban kanina. Hindi kanina, kagabi. Ayan. So ano na lang, this bedding kung medyo mahangin mamaya, tatanggalin na natin yan. Okay, now that I'm finished, let's fold this up. So, what we're gonna do now is just open na muna and push all the way down. Yan. Let's fold it up. So, it. So just a quick tip. Most of the folding washing machines sold, since they came from China, they have a different plug. So you need to buy an adapter to make this work in our outlets. So that's the thing right there. So this one is rated 130 watts of power, 130 or 135. So it's more or less half the power consumption of the typical 6 to 8 kilos na washing machine. So very good na ito. So again, if you want to make tipid your laundry stuff, no, I'm planning na aside, instead of like weekly na yung labada ko, maybe twice a week kung kasya sa oras, no? So para at least hindi napupuno yung labada ko. So thanks guys, I'm very happy to share to you this vlog. So hit subscribe if you haven't been subscribed to this channel, and don't forget bell icon katabi niyan. So if you want to be updated with my latest videos, click that bell icon tapos click mo all notifications, diba? So thanks guys, I'm happy for this. We'll have an update on this soon, on how effective this is. So see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.